Hello friends, this is Vivek Sharma, Assistant Professor in Department of IT. Welcome all of you in our video lecture session. Today we are going to discuss operation on queue data structure. In the previous lecture we have already discussed queue data structure. Today we discuss various kinds of operations on queue data structure. We know there are two types of operation. First one is insert operation and second one is delete operation. In case of insert operation, we will insert new element inside a queue. So, first we discuss queue insert operation. So, we write queue insert, our procedure name, this is the procedure. This is the procedure which we use to insert new element. Procedure name is queue insert, and here we are use various kinds of variables which are required to complete our procedure. Queue n is the total number of elements which are generally required, front, rear and item which we want to insert. Step number 1, check. First we check queue is already filled or not. If queue is already filled, so we cannot insert new element inside a queue. First we check if front equal to 1 and rear equal to n. It means first element, front indicate this is the queue, basic diagram of queue. Here size of queue is 5. Front indicate a variable and rear indicate e variable. If front equal to 1 and rear equal to n, here n equal to 5. We can easily observe total number of elements inside a queue is 5 and size of queue is 5. If front equal to rear plus 1, then write overflow condition and return. In this case, if our queue is full, then we can never insert new elements inside a queue. Step number 2, find new value. If it is not so, find new value of rear. If front equal to null, then set front equal to 1 and rear equal to 1. There is situation, there is only one element inside a queue. In this case, such type of condition, if there is only one element, in this case pointer variable point at a position, front and rear both are equal. It happens only if there is only one element. Else if it is not so, else if rear equal to rear assign n, then set rear assignment 1 value. Else last possibility, set rear equal to rear plus 1. Step number 3, set rear of queue assignment queue item. So, item will be stored in the rear value of queue. This will insert new element inside a queue. So, by third step we can easily insert item into the queue data structure, and last step is return. So, these are basically basic steps by which we can easily insert data items inside a queue. Now, we discuss second operation of queue data structure, queue delete operation. Here we required queue, total number of items, front value, rear and item. This procedure deletes an element and assign it to the variable item. Step number 1, first we check if queue is already empty or not. If queue is already empty, in this case we can never delete any element from the queue. If front equal to null, then write underflow condition and we return to the procedure. Step number 2, set item assignment queue front. So, front value will be stored into the item variable. Third step, find new value of the front. In this case, value of the front will be changed. If front equal to rear, then set front assignment null and rear assignment null. In this case, front and rear both will be equal to null value. Else if second probability front assignment n then set front equal to 1. Suppose front in this case is last position, then set front will be, if front assignment n then set front equal to 1, else set front equal to front plus 1 and last step is return. So, these are very basic steps by which we can easily delete element from the Q data structure. Thank you for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe our YouTube channel gurukpo.com. Thank you.